Okay, in this next video, I will give you a demonstration of the sound patches that come with the Hybrid 3 plugin by Air Technology. And I'll be using the plugin with my Logic Pro software. Okay, let's fire it up and give it a go. We'll go ahead and start with the default patch. Ah, that's more like it. Okay, these sounds fall under the trance chords category. There seem to be about 83 patches. Let's just go ahead and pick some random ones. Okay, let's go to some other sounds. Let's go to action pads. Okay, let's move on. Moving pads. I mean, we have so many sounds. Let's see with angel voices. What is that? So as you can see, we have pads for days. Then there's moving pads and, soft pads, bright pads. So it looks like you have at least a couple hundred, at least, of pad patches, of different pads. So let's move on to sequenced. Oh, that is pretty dope. Summer Dream, that's dope. So many possibilities with this plugin. Let's see, what is some of the other sequenced? There's 120 patches under sequence. Dope. It's dope. There's lots of dope sounds in this one. Okay, let's check out arpeggios. Let's see what we have here. Some nice sounds in there. Okay, wobbles are pretty fun. Check this out. Some fun sounds under this category. Lots of fun patches. Especially if you're doing dubstep or drum and bass. I think this is stuff to use. Okay, so let's move on. Sequenced bass. This is cool. Cool basses. That's dope. Okay, so as you can see, man, and females, plenty of options. Hard basses. Let's just pick some random basses. Let's drop it down an octave. Dope. Pick it up. Okay, lots of sounds, lots of basses, polysynths. Let's check some of those sounds. So, I mean, we've been here like going through quite a bit of sounds, keyboards. So There's just endless possibilities of sounds. I'm pretty sure you have more than you need. I don't care what you're doing, whether you're doing soundtracks, what type of music you're doing. There is a lot that you can get from this plugin. And I haven't even used any of the filters or any of the other features to actually shape the sound. So, I mean, you have infinite possibilities with this thing. Even just sounds for days. I mean, look at this. What are you going to do with all these sounds? I mean, it's a lot. So let's try tweaking the knobs and see what happens. I mean, you can make it your own. You can shape it the way you want to. Yeah, buddy. So there you have it. A nice demonstration of some of the sounds that come inside of the Hybrid 3 plugin by Air Technology. And honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with this plugin. It comes with tons of pristine stereo sounds. It also has oscillators, filters, chorus, delay, reverb, and all sorts of other modification options that you can use to customize and shape your own sound. In my opinion, this is definitely something worth having in the arsenal. So as always, if you like the vibe, make sure you go ahead and click subscribe.